What is an antibiotic? It is a chemical component that is used against bacterial diseases. That chemical component is also produced by another microorganism, especially by fungi. A particular chemical substance produced by a fungus or another microorganism against another microorganism. That is what you call antibiotic. Who found the first antibiotic? For the multi antibiotic. ඒක හොයාගන්න නැති වෙලා තිබිලා නෙමෙයි. මගේ අලුතින්ම හොයාගන්න. Alexander Graham Bell. The first antibiotic was Alexander Graham Bell. Alexander Fleming. What is the first antibiotic? Penicillin is the first antibiotic. How we invent the antibiotic? So he has grown a particular bacterial culture. Yeah, bacteria එකක් ගැන research එකක් කර හිටියා. So එහෙම ඉන්නකොට that he saw that well ඒ කියන්නේ the petri dish එකේ එයාගේ petri dish එකේ the bacteria is in the entire petri dish. But in some point there's a fungus has grown. මේකේ fungus එකක් grow වෙලා තියෙනවා එයා දැක්කා. Surrounding that fungus, there is a clear zone where the bacteria has not grown. All the other area, the bacteria has grown. Means local bacteria grow with that, but there's a clear zone where the bacteria is not reached close to the fungus. Because normally bacteria grow in the agar medium. Jelly medium එක grow කරන්නේ. Fungus also contamination එක. Accidentally හොයාගත්ත එක contamination. Then he අපි නම් මොකද කරන්නේ? අයියෝ මේක fungus කියලා අයින් කරලා දාන්න. හැබැයි this he started to think why the bacteria doesn't grow towards the fungus? Because this fungus released a particular chemical substance. And that chemical substance diffuses through this agar gel. And because of that chemical, the bacteria cannot grow because that chemical is harmful for the bacteria. That chemical is harmful for the bacteria. The bacteria will die when it exposed to the chemical. And then he grow this fungus and extract that particular substance and then finally found the antibiotic penicillin. Inventing the penicillin was very successful in the second World War because especially in the war soldiers could die. මොකද ගොඩක් මැරෙන්නේ මොනවා වෙලාද? තුවාල නරක්. ඒ කියන්නේ wound එක හැදෙනවා. bacteria infection එක infect වෙන bacteria මිනිස් මැරෙනවා. මෙයා එක use කරා. මෙයා හොයාගත්ත antibiotic එක use කරා. ඒ soldiers. They were survived. ඒක බේරුණා. Thanks to the penicillin. ඒ වගේ when we are exposing a particular bacteria to the same antibiotic for long time මොකද වෙන්නේ? That bacteria get resistant to the antibiotic. The bacteria will not killed by the antibiotic. අපි તો මේම දැන් I have grow කර bacteria. දැන් there are bacteria grow in this entire plate කියලා දැන්. Then I apply an antibiotic. මම මේකට antibiotic එක apply කරනවා. අපි නේ වම් සම්පූර්ණම antibiotic එක apply කරා කියලා දැන් මේකට antibiotic. Then what I am expecting here? I am expecting that all the bacteria will die because now I have grown the bacteria in the entire plate, entire surface, and I apply an antibiotic. Because of the antibiotic, all the bacteria should die. මැරෙන්න ඕන ඔක්කොම. හැබැයි අර අපි natural selection එක කතා කරේ there are the organisms with some best characteristic features. එකෙක් දෙන්නෙක් ඉන්නවා can be adapted for that antibiotic because of some genetic changes. Millions of bacteria within 2 or 3 bacteria are there who can be adapted to that antibiotic. They are not killed by the antibiotic. Why? They have special genes. Mutation hari මොනා හරි වෙලා උන්ට genes ඇවිල්ලා අලුත් ඒවා. Then it is not killed by the antibiotic. දැන් මොකද වෙන්නේ? අර ඔක්කොම මැරෙනවා මුන් තුන් දෙනා ඉතුරු. Then what happened? The next generation will be developed by this bacteria start to develop the next generation. Over time what happened? All the bacteria have the same genes now. They'll grow in the entire plate. But it is applied with this antibiotic. A bacteria grow වෙලා. ඒ කියන්නේ that bacteria is resistant to the antibiotic. If we are exposing to a particular antibiotic for a long time, the bacteria can be survivor resist. ඒක තමයි අපිට කියන්නේ ඕනකට වඩා antibiotic ගන්න එපා කියලා. දැන් අපිට වැඩි කැස්සක් ඇදුනත් ඉන්නේ antibiotic නේ. හච්චිමක් ගියත් antibiotic දෙනවනේ අද කාලේ. Antibiotics කොච්චර බොනවද අපි? But that is not good. Why? මොකද වෙලා තියෙන්නේ දැන්? ලෝකේ ලොකු ප්‍රශ්නයක් ඒක. Antibiotic resistance is a big problem in the world. World Health Organization එකේ millions of monies they are expending for the awareness programs among the people about this antibiotic resistance. එහෙම antibiotic ගන්න එපා කියන්නේ. Hey, so when we are taking antibiotic without the proper doctor's prescription or advice, so we are exposing to that environment long. The human population has that antibiotic every time. Then bacteria also survived in the environment among the humans. Then some of the bacteria can resist. එතකොට අපි හිතමු එකක් කොලරා හදන එකක් කියලා. එහෙනම් කොලරා බැක්ටීරියා will cannot be killed by the antibiotics. එහෙනම් ඒක තව මිනිස්සෙක් වැදුනොත් ඒ මනුස්සට ඇන්ටිබයොටික් හරියනවා. ඒකලු ප්‍රශ්නයක් ලෝ. There are some bacteria which cannot be killed by from any antibiotic. It is antibiotic resistant. The reason is the human population always exposed to the antibiotics. Bacteria also in that environment. Some of the bacteria will suffer. What is the reason? Natural selection. Natural selection is the reason for that. Means we have to be very careful in taking antibiotics. Because remember, antibiotics can kill only the bacteria. So viruses cannot be killed by antibiotics. But we are taking antibiotics for the viral diseases. So if the person is having common cold or the influenza or some diseases, then what happened? We are given the antibiotics. But that is not good. Now, why we are giving the antibiotics when we have a viral infection? I mean, doctors are done because we are not infected by bacteria. We just infected by a virus. But we know that viruses are not destroyed by the antibiotic. But we are given the antibiotic. Every antibiotic then. Now, when we are infected by a virus, these viruses will damage our cells, especially in the respiratory tract. Those destroyed areas can be infected by bacteria, easily infected by bacteria. So when the bacteria is infected to our respiratory tract, so that can be lead to have pneumonia like very dangerous conditions. And to prevent that secondary infection, we are given the antibiotics earlier. Antibiotics for the prevention of the secondary the infection. Natural may sema vela andawat sema hoda wendaවත් කියලා නෙමෙයි right? කියන්නේ ඒක antibiotic කරනවා හොත්තට sema vela එතන sema හොඳ එහෙම කරන්න නේද කියන්නේ. එන්නේ අතනයි reason එක.